very quiet because I see a squirrel right there. It's about to fall, but it's not. Correct. Hey guys, let me tell you a brief history of Golconda Fort. This magnificent fort has a rich history long back to the 12th century. The fort was originally built by the Kakatiya dynasty as a mud fort in the 12th century. Later, it was secured by the Bahmani Sultanate in the 14th century. The fort became the capital of Qutub Shahi dynasty in the 16th century. And it was during this time that the fort was expanded and strengthened by granite walls and ramparts. Golconda Fort was a major center of trade and commerce, and it was famous for its diamond mines. The Kohinoor diamond, one of the world's most famous and valuable diamond, was mined here. The fort was also the residence of Qutub Shahi kings who ruled over the region for almost 170 years. In the 17th century, the fort was attacked and taken over by the Mughal Empire. During the Mughal era, the fort was captured by Emperor Aurangzeb and it was later used as a prison for many years. The fort fell into decline after that and was abandoned in the 19th century. Golconda Fort is a reminder of Hyderabad's glorious past and the brave people who defended it. The fort has many interesting features like the impressive gates, the Darbar Hall, and the intelligent voice projection system that was used to communicate over long distances. So the next time you visit Hyderabad, make sure to visit this amazing fort and learn more about its fascinating history. Let's continue hiking! Hey guys, so that's the top of the fort and it's very, very hard to walk because there's a lot and a lot and a lot of more stairs than you think, bruh. So we are very, very, very tired and we are just sitting here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey guys, so this was very tiring, very exciting. A lot of stairs. And if you want, you can also see the sunset. Yeah. But if you want to go down, million, trillion, zillion more steps. Yeah. notification bell, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Originally, this hill was called Mangalore.
What is all this clapping about? Who are these people?
Oh, really tourists. The mosque of Ibrahim Qutub Shah, the Taj Mahal where the Sultan heard petitions.
That is why merchants from Persia, Arabia, Turkey and Europe are drawn here in such large numbers. I'm collecting material.
जो कायम रहे काफी